So Gioia's is 102 years old this year. It was started by Charlie Gioia, and he's from northern Italy, and he came to the hill. My grandmother bought it from them in 1980, and I'm third generation of my family to own it. We've always bought True Refrigeration, and it was always a staple of quality. We only spend on quality items. We started as a grocery store. Everybody would come into the grocery store, walk right by the groceries, and buy hot salami. And it's something that we were known for from the beginning. It's a fresh product that is processed daily and then sliced fresh to order. And it's St. Louis's favorite sandwich. We were so overwhelmed in 2014 because of the internet, and we got on Bizarre Foods, and then we got on the Food Network. We literally had no space to be any more efficient. The True Refrigeration prep tables completely revolutionized our business. It took us from making 1 sandwich a minute to 4 sandwiches a minute, just by investing in new equipment. What makes us last is the same thing that makes True last, is the fact that we have a commitment towards quality, but then also we innovate without changing that quality. I've always thought that with True, like it's synonymous with quality and longevity in St. Louis. That's really the reason why I'm buying True.